Yeah. 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 Yo no Carlito, babe. Yo no Carlito, babe. Coca. I had to do it cause niggas couldn't do it like that. He just be talking, see, he know he ain't grew up like that. Now he get talking, but you know you ain't built like that. Niggas get hit like that, your shit could end like that. He said we're cool, but we really ain't friends like that. I'm from Chicago where niggas get it in like that. No artificial, just official, this shit real like that. I saw visual, start with me, you get killed like that. I've always been about my money and I'm still like that. Bitches say I be acting funny, I don't chill like that. Niggas get killed like that, promise it's real like that. Niggas be broke, got no money, how you live like that? I won't lie, you won't catch me in the field like that. You talk about me, I'm so sorry that you feel like that. Me and Mello, that's my brother, he gon' ride like that. Only the fam like that, Carlito fam like that. These niggas be talking about you. These niggas be fake, better watch who you have around you. These niggas don't care about you, won't dare for jail about you. Hell no, I can't go like that. Can't go like that, hell no, I can't go like that. Can't go like that, hell no, I can't go like that. Can't go like that, hell no, I can't go like that. I can't go like that, hell no, I can't go like that.
My niggas in the field and it's real like that. Talking about catching bodies, you get killed like that. Growing up in the struggle, me and my niggas had a hustle. I familiar shit, nigga, cause I feel like that. Hypno put me on, so I go hard like that. Niggas know I fight back, and you know it's like that. Yeah, you know it's a rap. Yeah, matter of fact, nigga, I can't go like that. Nah, I can't go like that. I think it's sweet, niggas round me might catch a body. Catch me in the hood, you can ask anybody. Niggas don't care, niggas killing anybody. But I can't go like that. Nah, smoking dope, riding good cause I roll like that. But see, me and niggas don't get along like that. I did time, but I really ain't trying to go back. Nah, cause nigga, I ain't on that.
These niggas be talking about you. These niggas be fake, better watch who you have around you. These niggas don't care about you, won't dare for jail about you. Hell no, I can't go like that. Can't go like that, hell no, I can't go like that.